The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is emerging as one of the most anticipated compact gimbal cameras of this generation. A true revolution in handheld videography that blends portability, cutting-edge imaging technology, and professional-grade control into a single device designed for creators, vloggers, filmmakers, and travel enthusiasts. DJI has continued to dominate the creators' ecosystem, and with the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4, the company appears ready to redefine what we expect from a pocket-sized camera. Early leaks and insights from GLASP discussions and creator forums suggest that the Osmo Pocket 4 could feature a brand new dual-sensor system, potentially housing a large 1-inch sensor similar to the one seen in DJI's Air 3 drone or Mini 4 Pro, and possibly complemented by a 50-megapixel OmniVision sensor for ultra-high-resolution capture. This rumored dual-camera setup might allow for dynamic switching between wide-angle and telephoto perspectives, enabling vloggers to seamlessly alternate between cinematic landscapes and tight subject shots without compromising quality. Alongside this, DJI could integrate its next-generation image processor, designed to handle 4K at 240 FPS, 10-bit D-Log-M, and HDR video recording, giving creators access to footage that boasts remarkable color depth, enhanced contrast, and stunning clarity straight out of the camera. This means smoother slow motion, more accurate skin tones, and filmic dynamic range that rivals cameras several times its size. Moreover, new updates suggest DJI's latest Active Track 7.0 will revolutionize subject tracking by combining AI-driven algorithms with the Pocket's mechanical 3-axis gimbal stabilization. This hybrid tracking system would make the Pocket 4 incredibly smart at identifying and following human subjects, pets, or even vehicles in motion, maintaining perfect framing without manual intervention. An essential upgrade for solo content creators and vloggers who film themselves while walking or performing actions. The Osmo Pocket 4 also appears to take usability to another level, with a rumored 2.5-inch OLED touchscreen offering higher brightness, richer colors, and faster touch response, ideal for on-the-go adjustments even under direct sunlight. The user interface might be redesigned for quicker access to core features like focus, exposure, shooting mode, and resolution, streamlining the creative workflow for fast-paced creators who need to adapt quickly to changing scenes. Physically, DJI is said to have refined the body design, making it slightly thicker but ergonomically superior, featuring new anti-slip textures, an improved button layout, and potentially a small joystick for manual gimbal control, reminiscent of professional camera rigs but optimized for one-handed operation. Inside, the new processor architecture is expected to deliver faster image processing, better thermal management, and longer recording times without overheating, a vital feature for vloggers recording extended takes or time lapses. Another exciting rumor points to enhanced audio capabilities, with a triple microphone array using directional noise cancellation to isolate the speaker's voice, even in windy or noisy outdoor environments, and optional wireless mic integration for studio-quality sound capture. This would make the Pocket 4 a complete audio-video recording solution for travel vloggers, interviewers, or YouTubers who want pristine results without additional gear. The low-light performance is another area where DJI seems to be making a massive leap forward, with reports suggesting the new sensor could offer a native dual ISO system for cleaner, crisper images in night scenes and improved detail retention in dark environments, potentially rivaling mirrorless cameras in challenging lighting. It's also rumored that DJI may include a log shooting mode with LUT support, allowing creators to color grade directly in post-production, giving the footage a cinematic, filmic tone similar to what professionals achieve with larger cinema cameras. As for connectivity, expect to see Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and perhaps a USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 port for faster data transfer and charging, enabling creators to quickly move large 10-bit video files directly to their editing devices or upload them to cloud storage. Battery life is said to be extended compared to the Pocket 3, with up to 180 minutes of continuous 4K shooting on a single charge, and fast charging support that replenishes up to 80% in less than 20 minutes. Perfect for those who film in bursts while traveling. DJI's app integration is also likely to receive significant updates, with the DJI Mimo app offering more AI-based editing tools, automatic shot composition, and cloud syncing for creators who need quick content turnaround for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. The app may even include new smart templates for short-form content creation, enabling seamless transitions, background music, and text overlays straight from your phone. For creators who want even more control, DJI could introduce new modular accessories such as detachable lenses, external battery grips, and wireless monitors, expanding the creative potential of this tiny powerhouse. In terms of competition, the Osmo Pocket 4 directly challenges the GoPro Hero 13 Black, Insta360 Flow Pro, and Sony ZV-E10 II, but DJI's advantage lies in its unmatched mechanical stabilization, combined with computational video processing. With an expected retail price between $599 and $749, the Osmo Pocket 4 will likely occupy the premium compact camera segment, catering to both casual vloggers and professional filmmakers who need cinematic performance on the go. According to insider reports, DJI aims to launch the Pocket 4 by late 2025, aligning with its usual end-of-year product cycle, possibly alongside new drones or accessories to reinforce its creator ecosystem. Overall, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 represents a fusion of cutting-edge imaging technology, real-world practicality, and cinematic versatility. A device built for a new era of digital storytelling where content creation must be fast, flexible, and flawless. For vloggers, YouTubers, filmmakers, and even hobbyists, this camera promises to be the ultimate pocket companion, one that allows you to shoot, stabilize, edit, and share effortlessly without compromising quality. Whether you're capturing breathtaking travel landscapes, cinematic city sequences, or spontaneous everyday vlogs, the Osmo Pocket 4 will empower creators to produce visually stunning and emotionally engaging content that resonates with audiences worldwide. DJI's innovation curve shows that they're not merely refining the Pocket line, they're redefining it, transforming a once simple vlogging tool into a portable cinematic studio. From 4K 240fps video, HDR support, AI tracking, enhanced stabilization, upgraded microphones, and OLED touchscreen controls to extended battery and smart connectivity, every new detail points to one conclusion. The Osmo Pocket 4 will not just be another camera, but the ultimate all-in-one compact filmmaking device, sleek, smart, and capable of bringing professional-grade storytelling right into your pocket.